Good morning, P2 students. Today is Wednesday and it's the 10th of June 2020. So for today, I want you to get your learner's book and open it to page 54. Are you ready? Okay, so if you have your book with you, please get it. And if not, please stand and get the book. Very good. Okay, so if you're ready, let's start. Okay, welcome back. So today our learning target. So for our learning target, so I can understand the word buzzer. This is B. I can understand the word buzzer and motor. So yesterday we talked about motor already, right? So there are things that needs motor in order for it to move. Just like what was it? What was the example? We have the mixer when you make cake, right? To mix the flour and other ingredients, and we have the blender and also car. So today we are going to talk about what is buzzer and what is a motor. So here are the definitions of the words. So here, buzzer, very good, and this is motor, right? So here are its definitions. So we are going to match this later on, or yeah, later on. So here, an object that uses electricity to move. And here, an object which makes a buzzing noise when electricity passes through it. So we all know yesterday that any object that needs to move, it's what? Is it buzzer? Is it buzzer or motor? Okay, so we will go back to this later. And now let's get your book and open it to page 54. Okay, learner's book, page 54. Okay. So here is our book. Yes. Using motors and buzzers. So a motor can make things spin around. This is a motor. So yesterday teacher showed you the parts of the motor, right? So we don't really want to know like what are those parts. So I just wanted to show you what's inside. So this is like the inside here. There are brakes. There are what are the other ones? I don't remember, to be honest. So there was like a fan, right? So here, so inside this one there are some parts. So a motor can make things spin round. So round, spin or move. So all these things use motor. So this one, another example of things that needs motor is this fan. So in order for this fan to move or spin, it needs motor like this one. And this one is used in the dentist, right, to clean our teeth. So in order for this to move, if you have been to the dentist, they will like scrape your teeth and make that nasty. I don't really like that sound. And then also this one is what's this? It's a washing machine, right? So a buzzer can make a sound. This is a buzzer. A buzzer will only work if the wires are the right way round. The red wire from the buzzer must be connected to the positive side of the cell. So if the red, so there are two, so this is the buzzer. So there are two wires here, the black one and the red one. If we connect the red one to the negative side of the battery, it will not work. But if we connect the red wire to the positive side, then it will work. So again, if the red wire of the buzzer is connected to the negative side of the cell or battery, it won't work. Only it will work if it's connected to the red wire. So all these things use buzzers. So this one is like a doorbell. You know, if you go to someone's house and um, they don't have, like, the gate is closed but they have a buzzer, so you just press the button and then it will make a sound. And also like phone, right? If your phone is vibrated or like a sound, it will buzz, make sound like that. And then this is an alarm also. All right. So again, these are the things that needs motor in order for it to spin or to move. We have that electric fan or the fan. We have this used for the in the dentist, and this one is the washing machine. And how about examples of things that uses buzzer? We have the um, doorbell. We have the alarm, like the phone buzzing, sound of the phone, and then we have the alarm clock. Okay, so here, let's go back to our notes. So which of this definition is the meaning or the buzzer? So easy, right? So this one, an object that uses electricity to move. What is it? It's the, so we're going to connect the dot. An object that uses electricity to move or spin, it's the motor, right? Okay, how about an object which makes a buzzing noise when electricity passes through it? It's the buzzer. Excellent. All right, so that will be all for today. Thank you so much and have a wonderful Wednesday. Goodbye.